tip of the day, when borrowing becomes more expensive and lenders tighten their standards, small business owners face a reality that tests discipline, confidence, and determination. This isn't the moment to pull back. It's the moment to reinforce your financial foundation, sharpen your credit profile, strengthen cash flow, expand your banking relationships, and build liquidity so that you can move from a place of power instead of pressure. By embracing alternative financing options and positioning your business as stable and well managed, you rise above uncertainty and stay ready for the opportunities that appear when others are unprepared.